Motorheads, how the hell we doing, guys? So all my electric's done. All the new equipment's in. We ordered some equipment to make better videos. Getting ready to come back on several channels, and we got a lot of new stuff to introduce, and I'm real excited about it. But right now, while we're waiting for all that, let me show you something. See that behind you? Let me grab this camera and show you something, guys. So you saw that intro with that Duster. So there's that Duster heater core, heater box. All right, original heater box. I don't think it's ever been out of the car. And this is the same AC heater box that goes in all A bodies. They started them in '69. I think they changed them a little bit in '70, '71. And there it is. Now this is what I was fighting in Miss Judy's. See that plug right there? That's what plugs into the controller. That vacuum plug, somebody had cut wires and put connectors in. Cut vacuum lines and put connectors in. And that's a no-no. Because somewhere out there, I had one before, there's colors. See these color codes on the vacuum lines? There's colors. And each color has a job to do. Green, red, white, and I think some are yellow. I think the Challengers and Cudas are actually yellow. But you got green, red, white. And each one has a function, and it's got to go to the right spot. Well, this is everything in this box. AC worked, heater worked, everything worked properly. Or it appeared to. So, he said the AC blew cold. The heater core is leaking. This is what they sent us, a new one. Which, actually, you got to bend this thing. You got to bend this thing. If you can see here, this is going to go right there. And if you look right there, them lines aren't going to go out that front. So, got to get this in there. You can tell right there that you got to bend it around. Hopefully that aluminum is going to be flexible, because I'm not big on heating up aluminum like that. But here's the deal. Yeah, and I got that heater core to do too. Kind of lollygagging on that one a little bit, because I've seen all the videos. There's 14 hours worth of work. Not hard work, but tedious work. Steering column, complete dash, everything out of it. But we're waiting on a few parts for this. We're going to put some sound deadener. Let's walk outside here. All right, let's walk in here. There's a whole lot of stuff I want to show you about this Duster. A whole lot of stuff. You know, they put together a decent car to sell. Obviously, this was for resale. They did some nice work to it. Door jambs were all clean. They did some nice work. But they also did some really shoddy shit. Coming from a Mopar, man. Half the screws are missing. Wrong screws. Things loose. You know. You can see underneath there where they painted the floor and didn't paint under there. So lots of stuff. There's one. You're not even going to be able to see it. I'll get some light in here and show all you guys that later. But the reason I want to make this video is we're going live. I've already tested it. Everything's going to work fine. I believe Sunday afternoon I'm going live and dismantle this heater box. Get to show you all the original rusty, crusty crap in there, because I guarantee you there is. We're going to clean her up, put the new heater core in, get it bent, and get it ready to go back in the car while we're waiting for all the sound deadener and insulation pads that belong in there. So, going live Sunday, I believe. I'm planning on Sunday afternoon. It's going to be a nice day and be a good time to get up in my old wood shop where it's turned into a parts bin. Take this box apart where I can hook the Wi-Fi and show everybody anything and answer any questions they have about a Mopar AC heater box. And I'm going to tell you what, guys. For you Cuda Challenger guys, it's the same box. It looks a little different, but it's the same box. I have a couple Challenger, Cuda and Challenger AC heater boxes, and maybe I'll pull one down to compare. But I'm telling you now, it's damn near the exact same box. So, stay tuned. We'll see you guys Sunday. I'll have a bunch of shorts in between. And hope everybody's doing well.